Hello, Stamping friends. This is Monica Gibberti with Stamping with Monica, and welcome to my Sunday recap. A little late because I was having dinner with my daughter, so I just got back. Actually, not with my daughter, at my daughter's house. So we saw the grandkids and everything. So I'm here to do my quick Sunday recap of what is ending and what's coming up, and also classes that I have available for you. I'm going to start with my current class. That is a class that I did last week. It is the Cutest Crew. And I'm going to show you the cards and the projects in a minute. And this is a class that you can get supplies if you want your hands on the supplies to recreate the 5 projects. Then you have until tomorrow, July 27th, to place a qualifying order of $50 or more before shipping and tax, and after you apply any of your stamping rewards. And I will send you the supplies. Just the cardstock, the designer series paper, all the pieces that you need. If you are placing an order that is over $60, then I will also include a pack of the embellishments that are on these cards. And these are the flat in color pearls 2025-2027. Okay, so let me show you the cards that we did. If you watch my lives, hello Carmen, thank you for joining. If you watch my videos, I did 2 Wednesday night and Thursday night. This is one of the cards, and then inside is like this. And then we did this cutie patootie card. This has, so the Cutest Crew has been a very popular bundle that was gone. I mean, was in and out of inventory. I think it is back. Just recently came back. So if you would like to take the class and be able to create the samples at your house, then if you order the bundle, you already are at $45. So you need a little extra, and then you get the supplies. How fun is that? So this is one, and then this is the second card, like that. And then we did this card right here. So birds, dogs, cats. And then we did this fun gift card holder right here, right? And then the box that is pretty big, that can include, you can fit something this big inside. That is one of those trail mix, something like that. So if you want to get on it, I will put a link here to my online store. You just need to place a qualifying orders by tomorrow at the end of day. Hello, Nancy. So that is one class, and this is free with a purchase. Remember, $50 gets you the supplies to recreate the 5 projects. Then if you go over 60, I will send you the embellishments, the pack. That is a $850 value that you get. Now, next week, so starting Tuesday, I will be coming on. I think I will do Tuesdays and Wednesday live to show you my monthly class. This month we did the Violet Dreams suite. I think it is the name of the suite. And I'm going to show you the projects -1 because it ended up in one of my class attendees. It is a box that I made, and I just checked, and she said, yes, oops, I took it. So it's in her bag. So I will show you how to make the project during the live. But it is a cutie patootie box. So we will be using the Violet Dreams suite. So in this class, you'll get half a pack of the paper, you get a full bolt of the ribbon, the embellishments, and some of the, what is the name? The stripes. Okay, why do I want to say shiny? It's not glitter stripes paper that I'm going to show. So basically, this is one, and you saw me making this card already. So this is one card. And if you took the class and your kit is to go, and you don't want to see the samples, don't look, okay? Then because the kit, the designer series paper includes a sheet of die cuts, So this is a class that I usually do only 4 projects, and then you get to make 2 of each. So for a total of 8 projects. This month I will do, you will do more cards and 1 3D project, okay? So this is one of the cards, and you make 2 of each, 2 of these. You'll make 1, because this includes the die cuts. This is 1. You make 1 of this, okay? There you go, and I'll go on and show you. You'll make 2 of these, beautiful, fun fold like that. Look at the shiny paper, the stripes, and you're gonna see it more here. You see it? Maybe yes, maybe no. The shiny there, the stripe. And then this beautiful card that uses, the still all the elements in the die cut sheet, but you're gonna make this card like that, okay? So I will put the link, and then there's the box. The box obviously is not here, it's somebody else's. So you'll make, basically these are a total of 7 cards. These are the samples, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards, but then you make 2. This one will be 2, and then the other one 2. So 7 cards and 1 3D items for a total of 8 projects. Your cost will be $55 shipped to your door. Okay, you'll get the paper, you get everything, you get a half a pack of the designer series paper, some of the specialty paper, the full bolter ribbon, and the embellishments, plus the PDF. Hold on. Achoo! Excuse me. And PDF tutorial and the videos that you will watch on replay on my YouTube channel, or if you want to join live tomorrow and Wednesday, okay? And I will put the information in my at the top here of the video with the registration. So you need to register for this class, and then the registration will be open until next Sunday, okay? Now, I announced and held my in-person Christmas in July, a Stitch Season Stamp Camp, and I'm going to show you the projects. So you might say, why didn't I take that class? Because you're going to be wanting to do it. So this class, I did it this Saturday, so I did 1 class in the morning and 1 in the afternoon, these are the projects. You will still be able to register if you did not do that. So I'm going to show you. You'll make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. Okay, this is the card that I showed you in the past that I said it was a teaser. So this is 1 card. This is another card right here. Okay, then we're making this card right here. The paper is just gorgeous. This is another fun fold. And then we have this card right here, okay? And then this is a special card that looks like a package, right? And then you open it up, but I'm not going to open it. So that has a belly band and this. So these are the 5 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus you get to make this box, okay? You'll get to make a sampler, and this is my sampler. Beep. Hold on, there's something there. This is my sampler right here, okay? And then you'll get to make 2 scrapbook pages using, so this is 1, this is scrapbook, and this is another scrapbook page, okay? So I will put the link to the registration. Shipped to your door is $75. If you're local to me and you want to come and pick it up, it is $68. And you will include, and that will include over $40 in product. So you'll get a full package of the paper. You'll get the ribbon, the buttons that you can see here, linen thread, and what is this? The jewels, the rhinestone jewels, okay? And then some of the paper, the shiny paper right here that I used on the violet before, okay? This is a great value. You get a video, you get a PDF tutorial, and so that you can make it on your own. I am not going to hold another class in person, so this will be only to go, and I'm extending the registration until next Sunday. So after that, I'm closing this one because then we'll start with the next class. That will be in August so in August, I'm going to start my class series for Christmas cards. August, September, October, and November for extra card classes, okay? So just to give you another teaser, cards, the box, the sample, and two, not one, but two scrapbook pages with everything inside. You will cut your designer series paper based on the measurements that I will put in the tutorial. And you will have to do all the die cutting for this. So you will have to own the bundle because there's going to be, I will not do any stamping and die cutting for you. So you need to have the bundle, and you can add the bundle at cost. So you're going to save shipping and tax on it. So it will be a little bit discounted. So that's the advantage of adding the bundle when you register for the class. Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3 fun classes. This is the one that you can get free with a purchase, and that ends tomorrow. Then the violet, you watch me put these together, and this will be, you can register for the kit. And then I have my Christmas in July class that you will register if you want to and receive the kit, either pick up or ship to you. Okay, that is all that I wanted to let you know. I will see you on Tuesday for the Violet Dreams class, and I hope you'll be able to join me. It will be at 7:30 on Tuesday and 7:30 on Wednesday. Okay, so I will see you hopefully soon. In the meantime, have a great rest of your evening, and thank you for watching. Okay, hello Cynthia, I forgot to say I saw your name popping on, but thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.